Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new Minecraft PSP update video. And in this update video, we will be discussing the changes made in version 0.3, the Genesis update. We've made it here after many months of hard work, so congratulations! Today begins the birth of a brand new era of Minecraft PSP. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So, it's been a very long time since version 0.2, and a lot of things about Minecraft PSP have really changed since then. In version 0.3, what we've done is switched away from the version 0.2 Lamecraft model, which has allowed us to do many things, such as technical upgrades, upgrading to C++ 17. We have also rewritten the engine, made many optimizations, and we have begun porting Minecraft 1.12 directly onto the PSP. Now this may seem like a daunting task, but I assure you, I will try my best to get as much done as possible. In this version of the game, currently we have started with the base re-implementation of everything that was in version 0.2. So what we have right now is an infinitely generating world with clearly defined chunks, alongside a system to place and delete blocks. This allows us to start the basis of the game. And in the next update, we will be adding to this by creating terrain generation and fleshing out the creative mode experience. As a smaller change log, from version 0.3 pre-release 4 to version 0.3, what has been changed is that we have added a brand new installer system, which I will be demoing later in this video, alongside a launcher to launch the game and update it. Also, resource packs have been added in a limited fashion in order to continue to work out some of the bugs that have plagued resource packs. Furthermore, many of the chunk glitches which affected the world were fixed. Although one or two still remain, most of the time, everything is acceptable and working properly. Now, as to detail the brand new installer and launcher system. So the brand new installer system is a single Windows exe that you can run to install anywhere to your desktop or to the PSP directly. This installer system will unpack all of the game assets and load it directly to a launcher folder. This launcher will allow you to launch the game through it. Now, the launcher is something quite interesting. It does not actually take any username or password, nor does it verify any of that information. It will simply just log you in, and then at your discretion, you can choose to connect to a network and attempt to see if there are updates. If there is an update to the launcher will download said update. The launcher update will happen before you ever get to patch notes or changelog screen whatsoever. Once the launcher has been updated, as you continue on, you will then go into the main menu, which will allow you to select play and will show you a brief changelog of what's changed. If there is a new update, the changelog will have changed from the past time that you have loaded the launcher. When you press play, it will check for the brand new release, and then it will download it accordingly and extract it. This will then allow you to launch it and play the game as normal. However, if you do not have the ability to use the internet, you can simply just download the brand new eBoot and throw it into the launcher/game directory, and that will allow you to launch it as you have previously. This brand new system is for ease of use and allows people to continually update the game and have the latest ready version without having to re-download huge files. It also simplifies the asset gathering process, and in the future will mitigate all copyright and distribution. For now though, it's adequate and is useful for everyone to use. And here's a quick clip of what it looks like to install.
Okay guys, today I will show you how to install the brand new Minecraft PSP installer. So the easiest way to do that is to download the executable. Once you have the executable downloaded, you will double click on it, accept that, and then you're going to change your destination folder. The easiest way to install it to your PlayStation Portable is to go to the drive, in this case it's the D, and then hit PSP and game, and then you're going to hit OK, and then you can install it there. Alternatively, if you would just want to test it on your desktop, it will default to your desktop, so I'll just go here to my desktop, hit OK, then hit install. It will just extract all the files and rip them out so that you can then test it. And once that's done, basically all you're going to need to do to launch the game properly is that you're going to have to go to your launcher directory, which is over here, and then you're going to just run the game, go into game, and then run the eBoot, and then you can just do it like that. And in the future, if you want to update without using the internet, all you're going to have to do is download the newest eBoot and just replace the one inside the game directory. By default, the launcher will work perfectly fine even if you do not have a network connection, and as you can see, It's running version 0.3, which is the latest version of the game.
So thank you guys for making it this far. If you're still watching, we're going to talk a little bit about version 0.4 and what's planned in that. So what's planned in version 0.4 is implementing the rest of the blocks in the game that we haven't really implemented yet. And another thing about doing that is that we're also going to be adding terrain. By adding real-time terrain generation alongside biomes and a bunch of other features, that will allow us to create a brand new game which looks a lot like vanilla Minecraft. This update will be worked upon in the coming month, and after that, version 0.5, which is the beginning of survival. So, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this update. If you're interested in following, please hit subscribe, and please smash that like button and leave a comment below telling me your thoughts on Minecraft PSP version 0.3. I hope you guys have had a great time, and have a great day.